to learn how Mizzou is leveling up with their space research. On July 12, 2022, NASA released images to the public from the world's most magnified telescope, known as the James Webb Telescope. The James Webb Telescope is a technology that allows researchers to view space data from a much more sensitive magnification. In fact, the University of Missouri's physics department has gotten hands-on experience with this data. In the recent months, MU Associate Physics and Astronomy Professor Haojing Yan had been working with the images from Webb.
Believe it or not, I've been waiting for this for something more than 20 years. My supervisor told me that, Haojing will be working on James Webb's, back then it was not James Webb, it was a next generation space telescope, NGST. So he said that, well, you'll be working on this data during your postdoc years, but now it's my students who those data in their postdoc years. So it's 20 plus years.
It's safe to say Yan had been waiting for these images for quite a while.
To tell you the truth, when it was launched, many people were watching it live. I was so scared. I didn't want to watch it because anything could go wrong. Even today, when I think about what kind of bad thing could have happened, I was sort of like smiling. You told me.
Not only do seasoned professionals here at the university have access to this data, but MU physics students also have the opportunity to do research with this data in their time here at the university.
And also when we are trying to foster next generation of astronomers, we will use the most advanced data. Our students will be able to get into the very forefront to do their research.
One of MU Physics Department's main drivers in doing this research is to further innovate and advance their courses here.
It will also impact how we produce PhDs, for example. That is, and even how we educate our undergrads. I will be actually talking about James Webb, discovery in my classroom. That's for sure, because our understanding of some most advanced topics have been changed. Then we certainly need to explain convey all of those to the students.
Since the data being gathered with Webb is emerging at such a fast rate, who knows what information we're going to uncover in the next coming months.
For example, talking about the impact to my own research, is just that I know that we can explore this along this direction. We can, and previously it's not even possible. Okay, now I know that it's possible, so we can go along that direction. It's still very early in this stage, and we need confirmation. But only a few months into JW's operation, so a lot of things could happen. But it's a very good start.
Thanks for tuning in on a crash course of MU Physics Department's latest discoveries. This is Sophie Rentschler from the Man Eaters signing off.